Hi, I'm Kaden. He's
Hi,
Noah. And then, so we just bought this volcano thing. So, oh my gosh, it's like about to fall, it looks like. So, it's supposed to, like, there's this fizz powder thing, and then you're supposed to put it in, like, here, and we filled it out with water and, like, a fake background. And it's supposed to, like, explode, and it's supposed to look really cool. I'm scared to do this because it's going to get all over my hand. And also there's Velcro on the back, so it has to stick in time. 3, 2, 1. I can't fit it. That's a struggle. I won't fit. I won't fit. No.
Take it off.
I can't. This is hard.
Push it down. Can you push it down?
It's literally stuck. What?
Let me try.
Oh, Noah. Noah. Wait. Oh, no. Ah!
Here, twist it like.
Don't open it. You just opened it. Come on.
No.
Hey, it's working! It's working!
It's not really doing it.
Yes, it is. It's coming out.
Is it like shake it up?
Don't shake it up. No, move. I'm trying to see it. It's coming out a little. This is trapping it.
It's a pretty tame volcano.
I'm trying to... Oh, it's stuck. God. No wonder we can't push it down. It got jammed.
What's that?
Oh my gosh, look at the water. That's cool though.
It's like.
It's stuck. Whoa, that's cool.